The beautiful 2025 Dutchman Aspen Trail 23BH. That's a perfect for family of 6 to 8. It's a 23 feet travel trailers. It's a bunk model, has a full walk around queen bed in the front, U-shaped dinette on the slide with the fridge, and then you have the two big double over double bunk. What I like about it for that kind of price point, like we sell this unit for 25.99, but it come loaded because a lot of competitors they don't give you, slide toppers. They don't give you power stabilizer jack. This unit has it. As you see in the front, it has electric tongue jack over here. There's electric tongue jack, two propane tank with the cover, and then we have electric stabilizer jack in front, and you could see I'm lowering the two jacks in the front, and then there's electric stabilizer jack in the back. The beauty about this one, there's nothing manual. Everything just by pushing switches, as you see I'm doing right now, raising and lowering the jacks in the front. Also, you have a nice power awning with LED light, and then three-step to get in, easy to get in. It has also the enclosed underbelly, so it could handle the extreme cold. Endless hot water heater, as you see here. That's another features on that unit provided. More storage in the back, underneath the bunk. This bunk, they give it to you storage inside and outside. Outside shower, hot and cold, not just outside sprayers, spare tires in the cover. And then they give you also 30 amp cord plug with Sani flush, where you flush your tanks, black and gray water hookup. But look here, this is a nice features where the competitor they don't provide. This is worth $1,000 right there. They providing you with the slide toppers. So if it's a rainy day, if it's you go park in a campsite where it has a lot of pine trees coming on the slide, well, all the bird poop, all the stuff rinse it out when you close the slide out because it's gonna roll with the slide out and everything on the top is gonna come out. So it's more protections for your slide out. And that's what I like about the Dutchman Aspen Trail. They provide that to you as a standard features. Versus in the other brands, you have to buy it. And then you can see here's the pass-through storage. Also, we have the solar panel controller here. So the unit comes standard from the manufacturer with a 200-watt solar panel and a 30 amp controllers. A lot of storage, a lot of room. This is perfect for half-ton towable. I mean, the dry weight is around 5,900 pounds. So a heavy half, where they pull, somewhere in the 75 or 85, they could pull this unit no problem. So one features you need to realize what I like about this unit behind me. It's not too big, not too small, dual axle, so it has more stability for towings, and it's a family-oriented unit. So when you go inside here on the 23BH, 23BH is mean 23 bunkhouse. It's so roomy and it's very functional. So one thing I like about this one, it provides me with a beautiful U-shaped dinette right here. And this U-shaped dinette, I could make it two-way. I could remove this piece in the middle and become just only dinette this side. Or I could leave this here and then I could sit this way, as you see. I could sit people here, people there, people there. And this table drop down and it become a bed. So the advantage for you on this unit is you have two-way. I could make it just regular dinette, just this side on the right and the side on the left, or I could make it the way I'm doing right now, sitting on a U-shaped dinette. So that's the advantage of the 23BH. Across from it, it has a quite few counter space on the right side of the sink. The sink is one piece big, so you put a cooking pan, provide you with a microwave, place for silverware. They come with a 3-burner range. There's a hood, light, and a fan. 3-burner range with an oven. And then you have 2 doors with a magnet latch. Now, the lady is going to come to me and say, now look, you show me this kitchen is beautiful, but where's I put my stuff? Well, you don't have to worry because you have a full, deep closet, pantry, whatever you want to put. So it has a big shelf with a lip, so I could put my cereals, my canned foods. I could put down there my cooking pans, you name it. I could store whatever I want on this unit. And also, when you're done, you close it. You have a beautiful, nice wall with a fireplace. This fireplace, believe me, I tried one of them. It could heat this area without turning your propane, and you don't have to waste your propane when you go camping. This is so efficient for the installation on this unit. It heated. And believe me, it take the chill from this trailers if you turn this fireplace. And then you have here's the double size bunk. So this is not a single because single will be this. This is a double. You have one double up, one double down. They have escape window, and then this is the storage. As I said, the bottom piece is a storage half from inside and half from outside. So you could see it's very friendly, roomy. There's a location here for the TV, so you could put a 32-inch TV. The beauty about this TV is everybody could see it. The people standing in the kitchen, standing in the dinette, and laying down here in the bunk, they could watch the TV with no issue. So it's very roomy, very family friendly, very open. Across from the kitchen, we have the 11 cubic 12-volt refrigerators, run off 12 volt. And again, you don't have to worry because you have solar. You have also a storage here, so they don't waste it. They give it to you. You can put some game board games and so on. Now, going to the bathroom, look how this very roomy bathroom. And I like about it, it has a big standing shower. So for the kids, it's easy to get in. Very big elbow, vents with fans, as you see, you know. So take all the heat from the showers. Again, very roomy, easy to get. Also, it's easy to give bath to little kids. The lady could sit here and give bath to the kids. And then you have a sink with a solid medicine cabinet, not a plastic, with a room area here for shaving, toothbrush and so on. And then there's also a room for toilet papers. You can put some towels, whatever you like over there. So that's regarding in the bath. Now we're coming into the bedroom. The reason why they took the wall from here, comparing the other models, is to give you the open look and the wow factor when you walk in. But if you said now you insist, no, I want a privacy, I don't want nobody see what's going on. Well, no problem. I mean, you could keep this door shut, see, and nothing gonna happen. I mean, there's just a dirt, and you have full privacy, and nobody could see what's going on in your bedroom, and you have full privacy in the bedroom. And when you're done, you just open it, and voila. Now, the advantage for you is some people they could sit on this bed while some people sitting in the dinette and have social. You have two closets, one on the each side, one on the right, one on the left. You have a big shelf here for things. You have a second TV hookup above of the window. As well, you have a storage underneath the bed. Half the storage is the storage from outside, half from storage from inside. So that's the advantage for you on the 23BH. Perfect for family. Price point, we price is so low. Dual axle, U-shaped dinette, full walk around bed, double over double bunk, all powers with the slide toppers and solars, only at Best RV for $25.99. So come to Best RV and grab it and take your kids and take your family and go camping.